the solution to this example. So first thing we need to do, in this case what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave these headers. So I'm actually going to start from here, and we're then going to highlight all our data. So I'm going to go right to the bottom, go to here, hold my shift key down and highlight all those rows, switch the filter on. Now I know that in this area here we need to have some sort of a period. So I'm going to go, and just looking at it, there's lots of information here. I don't really want to manually go through all of these. So let's see, here we need some sort of a date. So when I click on it, so it looks like this might be the best way to do it, because I know that anything that's got a date in it I want to keep, anything else must go. So in this case I'm actually going to say I only want to see the blanks. So when I say OK, I can then scroll through. It looks like that's what we want. There's no numbers in column N, so that looks fine. So we're going to highlight that row, go all the way down to here, hold my shift key down, highlight all the rows, right click, say delete row. And after a bit of time, because it's obviously doing quite a bit of deletions, when I clear, you'll see it looks like the data is correct. You should be able to scroll down and see that it's all correct.